Welcome. This is Sofia LightJewel, and I want to bring you a short video again in relationship to questions you can have in order to move and help to bring some movement to certain situations in your life. And specifically, this is when you have to make a choice and you're feeling unsure on what is the next step. The question that you can ask is, what are the possibilities? What are the options here? And once you tune into each option, let's say you have option A, B, C, what are the possibilities on each option? So, if you move into A, what would it be opening for you? Perhaps what doors will be closing for you from your perspective? And then the other question you can ask is, if your life depended on it, on taking action, what would you do? So if your life depended on taking action, what would you do? And then the last question is, if you had free choice, so if you let go of all the justifications, all fear, all excuses, if you had free choice and you had everything that you needed, all the resources, if it's about money, if it's about time, if it's about knowledge, whatever that is, if you had free choice and had all your resources within you, which one would be the most aligned for you? Which choice would be the most aligned for you? Um, the one choice that will bring inner peace, inner harmony, well-being, a sense of alignment, a sense of excitement in your life and expansion. And so this brings me to another piece, being really clear about the energy quality that you want to cultivate in your life. So um, if this choice is in relationship to well-being, then that's a really good energy quality to connect to. So instead of connecting more from the mind and the logic, you can also begin to tune into your body sensation. Is this is this path? So let's say path A, B, C is, as you tune in, is path B leading me to a larger sense of well-being? It's B or it's C. And just tune into your body. Sometimes when we go too much to our head, it just you end up feeling overwhelmed. And so tuning to your body is a really good response, because just bringing the energy quality and how does it feel in my body. So if the energy quality is peace, a really good one is, no matter what is going on in your life, if you have to make a choice, the question is, would I be at peace with myself if I made this choice? So would you be at peace with yourself if you made this choice? And so then all the other roots are the roots that I have asked you. You can use the questions. You can also use the energy quality that you want to create and cultivate and reach to a larger sense of, I don't know, abundance, well-being, empowerment. So you can tune into the energy quality and tune into each option and see which one is connected to that energy quality. Sometimes we have options that they look like they're similar. Let's say empowerment. Perhaps you have a choice that it's about, you know, either going to another company and perhaps is um, giving you the same type of job, but then the other option is staying within your company and getting a different position that feels more like a raise. Sometimes what it seems on paper, let's say the right choice to do, in in truth is not there, because you can't see what is beyond the energy. That's why connecting and tuning into the energy and tuning in how your body feels in this energy and this option, it's a really beautiful way to do, because your heart is connected to the field, to that universal intelligence that creates life and that is tuned into the akasha, so like infinite possibilities. Your brain, it's really powerful, but it doesn't have that extensity to reach that level of the magnetic field and knowing. And so by tuning into the energy quality and tuning into your heart, and from there seeing how your body responds on each option, it gives you a sense, you almost see beyond what is there. And so this is a tool that I use all the time. And when something in my body, I'm very clear, I want to really cultivate and be in freedom, let's say, or empowerment, or whatever that is, that energy quality, I know how it feels like in my body first. And then I say, okay, how is my body feeling in this choice? And you really notice right away. If it's a yes, it's going to feel expansive. It's a no, if it's kind of, it's going to feel more contracting. And so begin in this way. You also begin to practice and tuning into your own inner guidance, to the inner guidance of that larger intelligence within you, your whole system of intelligence, instead of making choices from just your head and the rational mind. And so I hope that helped you. I send you a big, big hug, and I'll see you in the next video and next time. Bye bye.